The history of knitwear goes back a long way, and from ancient crafts to today's fashion trends, knitwear has been changing and evolving. In today's fast-moving fashion industry, knitwear is widely popular for its comfort and versatility. Knitwear has become an integral part of the fashion world, bringing us infinite warmth and comfort in both the cold winter months and the cool spring and fall months. There is such a knitwear supplier that has been consistently adhering to the quality and leading the trend for more than 20 years, focusing on the production of high-quality knitwear. SHEJOY Clothing, an excellent supplier in the field of knitwear apparel. Let's take a look at what kind of enterprise it is. Each yarn is carefully selected from the source of knitwear production. It ensures that every product is comfortable and durable. Through advanced production facilities and strict quality control, the knitwear products not only meets international standards, but also meets customers' individual needs. The products are not only worn and comfortable, but also follow the current fashion trends. The professional design team, who are good at capturing fashion inspirations and constantly innovating, are simply fashion leaders, and they can always keenly capture the current trends and skillfully incorporate them into the design of knitwear. Whether you are in pursuit of simple and classic, or you like individuality and flamboyance, you can find pieces here to meet your aesthetic needs. This is the production workshop for knitwear, where each product will go through a strict production and quality testing process. The factory is equipped with advanced knitting equipment in-house, which can efficiently produce various styles of knitted products. We pay attention to every detail, and our craftsmen have rich experience in making each product with care. We have strict quality control and arrange specialized craftsmen to carry out inspections to ensure that every knitted product is impeccable. Knitwear is not only found in fashion shows, but also everywhere in our daily lives. From warm sweaters to cozy scarves, knitwear can add a sense of warmth and happiness to our lives. We offer a wide range of knitwear, including sweaters, scarves, and hats. Each product will be carefully designed and made with rich styles, diverse styles, and colorful colors, which can meet the individual choices of different customers. More than 2 decades of steady development, the factory's supersize, and the volume of customers, we have strong ability to meet your huge order needs at any time. Over the years, with high-quality products and good reputation, SHEJOY Clothing has won the trust and support of many partners. Looking to the future, SHEJOY Clothing will continue to forge ahead to provide you with better quality knitwear apparel. Choosing SHEJOY Clothing is choosing quality and fashion. Looking forward to cooperating with you.